Hi, today we'll be working on a KTM 125SX. We will be replacing the twist throttle and grips. First step, we're going to remove our handguards. We'll have to be removing my front brake to get to the second bolt underneath your twist throttle. Now your next step will be removing this screw. Now you will be pulling off your boot. Now this step is very important. Remove the top cap first. Now you remove your cap. Step will be taking out the very fine wheel which holds your throttle wire. Make sure you do not lose this. It's very important you do not lose it. This is how your throttle will be looking at this stage. Next step will be loosening the two bolts underneath your throttle. You will be lifting the top of your throttle case. Be sure to be holding your throttle cable so it will not snap back up. Remove simply like this. Now remove your top case. Unfortunately, mine has broken. Slide your throttle off. Clean the surface of your handlebars. Unpack your new throttle. First step is to put on your boot. Makes it the easiest to put it onto your throttle. Feeding your throttle wire through your top casing. Now the next step will be getting it into the little groove. We will be placing in the small wheel after we've put in the wire. This will make it the easiest for you to put together. Your next step will be putting your bottom casing on. We will put in the top screw first. This will line up your wheel with your case. Make sure you do not tighten the screw too much. Do the same with the other. Be sure to slide your throttle down onto the handlebar so it stops sliding. This is the position where your throttle should be. Check that your throttle is working properly. Make sure it makes a snap sound. After that step, put on your rubber boot. After your rubber boot's on, you will be tightening your screw onto your throttle housing. Then slide your protector over. In this video, I will be using ODI Troily Design grips. Some grips have writing on it, so be sure to line it up with your throttle properly. Be sure to use the grip with the bigger hole which goes onto your throttle. If you prefer putting your grips on with wire and you're having trouble putting them on, just use some water. It works great. After you've finished everything with your throttle, move your brake back to its original position. Put it into the spot you prefer. Once you've secured your front brake, you're ready to ride. Thanks for watching and subscribe below. Please tell me if you like this video.